Hello everyone and welcome to Java Forever course. Currently we are learning operators, and in today's course we are going to learn about compound operators. So far we have learned about different type of operators, right? From equal to sign to plus, minus, star or asterisk, the forward slash which is for division. We also looked into parentheses. Now Java provides some sort of shortcuts. And if you look at code, or when you read somebody else's code, you may find some of the operators which is a combination of two operators. For example, you will see that plus equal to, or you will see minus equal to, or asterisk equal to, forward slash equal to, and similarly percentage equal to. This is, as I said, is a shortcut and also referred as compound operators because there are two operators joined together. The benefit of it is that you don't write two lines of code, you can combine into one. Let me take an example. When we say x equal to x plus 1, in Java this is perfectly fine and allowed. In regular math you cannot do that. In algebra, if you write x equal to x plus 1, you may say x, if you subtract x on the both sides, you will be removing x, and that becomes 0 equal to 1, which is totally invalid. And that's why algebra does not allow you to do this. But in Java, you can do it because when we say x equal to x plus 1, we are saying first, equate on the right side, or calculate on the right side, and whatever value you get, you move it to the left side, assign it back to x. So in this case, you will first read the value of x, add 1, compute a new value. So suppose x equal to 5 right now. So x will be 5. You will add 1. This becomes 6. Basically, this whole thing translates into x equal to 6. As you can see, we are incrementing the value of x by 1 when you write x equal to x plus 1. Now, rather than writing x equal to x plus 1, we can also use a shortcut. We can say x plus equal to 1, and this is a shortcut for the same statement. In the beginning, if you're not very comfortable, don't use it. You can use regular x equal to x plus 1. Similarly, I can say, if I want to say x equal to x multiplied by 6, I can say x multiplied by equal to 6, which is same as this statement. So only thing you have to remember is that equal to sign always comes to the right side. If you notice, everywhere equal to sign is on the right side. That way you cannot go wrong. And there is no space between these two. It's plus and equal to immediately followed by that. I guess that's all in this class. Again, you can see one example here where I had said x equal to 6, y equal to 8, and I can say x equal to x plus equal to y. This is same as saying x equal to whatever is x plus y. So you can write like this, or you can write like this. You can play with different type of compound operators in the code and check the results for yourself. That's all in this class. I'll see you guys again in the next one.
Thanks for watching. Do subscribe and press the bell icon for more videos.